Claudins are small transmembrane proteins that play a crucial role in maintaining the epithelial barrier and regulating paracellular ion flow. Claudins have been linked to signal transduction, the regulation of cell polarity and proliferation, making them important factors in tumorigenesis and metastasis, involved in esophageal, pancreatic, colorectal, and gastric cancers. Abnormalities in the expression and localization of these proteins plays an important role in pathogenesis of many non-cancerous gastrointestinal diseases, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease and Helicobacter pylori infections. Claudins are under extensive investigation as a potential diagnostic and prognostic biomarkers, as well as therapeutic targets in gastrointestinal cancer.